What is up, folks? I am here in lovely Bremerton, Washington. If you're not sure, you never heard of Bremerton, Washington, if you're just watching this video, Bremerton, Washington is in Puget Sound, little Puget Sound area, Kitsap County. It is west of Seattle, so it's about an hour drive, about an hour, hour and a half ferry, depending on which one you get. So I'm here, I'm staying at the Hampton Inn Suites. It's a Hilton. So here I am, I'm going to do a little bit of a room tour. I'm in one of their newly renovated rooms. They just renovated the 4th floor, so here I am, 406, right outside the elevator. Elevator's right there, so let's do a little bit of a room tour. All right, let's start here in the bathroom as usual. Here we go. So now this is newly updated. I was told on the phone yesterday that they just finished updating the 4th floor, so here it is updated. There is still a bathtub though, so that's kind of sad, to be quite honest. I don't understand why they still do bathtubs, because, you know, you're on vacation. I want a walk-in shower. That's what I'd like. I don't know how many people else are behind me. Leave a comment down below if you like walk-in showers as well. But can we get rid of bathtubs? Can we get rid of these? Can we just do walk-in showers now instead of dingy tubs? Anyways, rant over. Yeah, there we go. So we got some stuff on there. There's your hair dryer, body lotion, things like that, extra towels. There's your shampoo, conditioner, and I believe that's body wash. Come in here, there's a little section here. There's no closet, so there's just this, and it does not look like there's a safe in here either. I will check. I will not speak too soon. Maybe there's one in another drawer, but normally the safe is around here. Got some hangers, full body mirror right there. I did get the 2 queen because apparently the king was booked for my rate, so I couldn't get it. We have still an old phone. It was updated, but they still have an old phone. 2 USBs right there for you. We got some lamps, some switch lamps here. Boom, we got the microwave. We got the nice big TV, LG. And they said that there was a refrigerator, and yes, there is. Just like they promised. Let's open her on up. Does not feel like it's even on right now, to be quite honest. I don't know what level is what. I guess we're gonna see if that's the highest level of cold, because that really wasn't, that's not cold at all, to be honest. And then some racks here. Oh, my finger was in the way. So no, there is no safe. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm here for work for a while, so I guess I'll stay here, but if I was you, I would not stay here if you want the regular amenities that a normal hotel gives you, like a safe. So, and, you know, a walk-in shower. Like, I don't understand why that's so hard to give people. But, yeah, sorry for being so pessimistic. Little coffee maker desk. And then we've got the sound right out here. The ferry does pick up, like, right here. So I can actually look and see the ferry pulling in. And I can walk right through there and hit the ferry. So I don't even need to worry about it, you know, rushing down there. I can just walk right to the ferry. There's some food options down here too. If you're looking for food options, there's a Subway. I think there's a taco joint. There's a couple other things around the backside. There's like another convenience store. And then there's like some bars right here. And also a few more back that way. But just want to do this quick video like I usually do for the hotels that we stay in. So this is the Hampton Inn, Bremerton. Right there, room 406. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below your favorite hotel in your area. Maybe we'll make it by there. But as always, tripping ain't easy, but the show is fun.